Hello student, welcome to the Make Study official YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to talk about the UPSC A notification which is released by Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission, and what is the minimum qualification, what is the total number of vacancy in different discipline, and what is the pattern of examination. All those things we will discuss in this video. So stay tuned at the end of the video so that you get the idea how to proceed with these information. So let's begin with the video. UPSC, as you are aware that last year they have recruited a like mass number of engineers in a public commission services, but for this year they have started a recruitment again, and the starting date was 30th 8 2021, and end date was 10/9/2021, and last date for application to fill it online submission with the 13/9/2021. So you need to remember the date, what is the initial date, and what is the last date before submitting your final results. So going with the next, what is the important instruction? There are few of the instructions, so we can take care while filling the form of UPSC. The first one is, at the any stage candidate consider misspent and desired information candidate may be cancel the candidate if you fill the wrong information and the information as per the provide in a advertisement. If you are not fulfilling, then your candidature might be cancelled, and might be there are some other information like you need to do the self-attested document. All those things you need to take care, and after filling you need to send the hard copy to the service commission. After that, there are a number of posts for each and every discipline in that public works department. The number of vacancy for the civil was 36, and the public work department for PWD for the assistant engineer mechanical and electrical combined vacancy are there are total 28, and here the applicable branches are mechanical and electrical. Going ahead with that, assistant engineer again civil is coming with the 21 vacancy in housing and urban development. And going with the Nagar Vikas, we have here the again civil electrical mechanical is combined vacancy, and total number of vacancies was 14, which is quite good number because the services are having around 20-25 in each and every department. And going ahead with that, if you check with the again mechanical, then there are 3 vacancy in the groundwater department, and after that 5 vacancy in industrial development, which is a combine of civil like mechanical and electrical. And after that they are combine of all these branches like civil, electrical, mechanical for the home police department, and here number of vacancies are 13. So if you count the total number of vacancies which is applicable for mechanical and electrical or mechanical only, then total number of vacancy around 70 to 75 vacancy are there, which the mechanical engineer has to be filled. So that if you try to get the idea regarding the number of vacancy and how to approach the questions and do practice in such a way that the competition is too high, so you need to take care these things in a mind while preparing this examination. And after that there are some like pay scale. They offered like 54,000 grade pay, which is 15,639,100 basic grade pay, and in the 5400 grade pay job. So I think you are aware of this, all those things. And they told me like the number of vacancy might be decreased or increased depending on the service commission. After that, the reservation, they told me like if you have a reservation of domicile of Uttar Pradesh, then you consider as a reservation, or else if you have like a category in other state, then you are considered as an unreserved candidate, and your candidate is count for the open category, and you fight only for the open category seats only, not for the particular reservation like SC/ST in the Uttar Pradesh government. So going ahead, there are eligibility criteria, and what is the date which you initiate the application, what is last date, what's the last date of your age after which you cannot fill the form. So they mostly allow 30-35 years depending on the condition of unreserved and reserved candidate. For detailed information, I have attached the advertisement in the description, but you can go there and check it. And for material, they have mentioned that if you have married more than one wives, and first and second wife you have married, then you are not applicable for this position. They have clearly mentioned it. Either of case, either husband or wife, if they are married more than one time, then these posts are not applicable for them. And after that, if you have any query related to this advertisement or any other queries, so do comment below. I'll try to resolve as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.